For years, my goals looked like this. Get fit, make money, start YouTube, become productive. And every year, nothing changed because those weren't goals. They were wishes with no system behind them. So I built a complete AI goal system using only free tools, and it completely changed how I work and how fast I move. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build the same system step by step, so you can turn your goals into a clear, actionable dashboard that actually gets done. Most people don't fail because they lack ambition. They fail because goals are vague, no milestones, no tracking, no schedule, no feedback loop. You can't achieve what you can't measure. So instead of writing random goals once a year, we're going to build a system that turns dreams into weekly actions, with AI doing the hard part. Open ChatGPT and paste this exact prompt. Help me create smart goals for these areas of my life: health, career, finances, relationships, learning, etc. Turn them into clear, measurable outcomes with deadlines. AI will convert vague goals like get fit into something like lose 5 kilograms in 12 weeks by working out 4 times a week and eating 1,800 calories per day. That's clear. That's measurable. That's executable. Open ChatGPT right now and paste the prompt above with your own categories. Choose 3 goals maximum to focus on this month. Limit equals focus. Focus equals progress. Now take one main goal and ask ChatGPT to break it down. Break this goal into weekly milestones and daily or weekly tasks I need to complete. Example result. Milestone 1, research workout plan. Milestone 2, create schedule. Milestone 3, track progress weekly. Daily task, 45-minute workout. Weekly task, weigh in Sunday. Your brain loves small, clear, visible steps. Pick one goal and ask ChatGPT to break it into weekly milestones. Copy the milestone list into a note, we'll put it in the dashboard next. Open Notion and create a new page called Life Dashboard. Add sections: goals, milestones, weekly tasks, daily actions, progress tracker. Create a simple table for each. Paste your goals, milestones, and tasks into the appropriate section. Now everything is visible in one place, no more mental clutter. Create a Notion page titled Life Dashboard. Add 3 tables: goals, weekly milestones, daily tasks. Paste the items ChatGPT generated into those tables. You now have clarity. Information isn't transformation until it's scheduled. So I opened Google Calendar and assigned time blocks for the weekly and daily tasks from my dashboard. Example: fitness workout, 8 to 9 a.m., YouTube scripting, 10:30 to 11:30 a.m., Sunday weekly review, 7 p.m. When the calendar tells me what to do, I stop negotiating with myself. Open Google Calendar. Drag and drop your top 1 to 2 daily tasks into the calendar for tomorrow. Protect that time. Treat it like an appointment. Every Sunday, I open my Notion dashboard and reflect using ChatGPT. Here's what I completed this week versus what I missed. Give me 3 improvements for next week and identify where I wasted time. AI becomes your success coach, analyzing patterns and giving adjustments. This feedback loop is what turns goals into reality. Schedule a 10-minute weekly review on your calendar. Paste the reflection prompt into ChatGPT every week. Apply the adjustments. Small improvements weekly, huge transformation yearly. Before: random goals, no deadlines, no accountability, procrastination and frustration. After building this AI goal system: clear goals and milestones, weekly structure, measurable tracking, reduced overwhelm, consistent progress. Success is not intensity. Success is consistency. And consistency comes from systems. Today, do just this. Define one goal using ChatGPT, break it into milestones, add to Notion dashboard, schedule one task for tomorrow. That's it. One goal. One step. One day. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button, it really supports the channel. And if you want more practical systems like this, subscribe and turn on notifications. Before you go, comment goals below if you're committing to trying this system for 24 hours. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.